Do you want to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra using your fingerprint? You can register a fingerprint for quick and secure access to your phone. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under the Biometric section, tap Fingerprint. As a note, you can also access this menu from Setting, Security and Privacy, Screen Lock and Biometric, and then Fingerprint. For this example, we'll use the lock screen and AOD method. Here, your phone will display some information about fingerprint recognition. Tap Continue. Next, you will see tips for registering your fingerprint. Tap Register. Now, place your finger inside the circle on the screen. When the circle becomes fully highlighted, lift your finger and place it on the sensor again. Continue lifting and placing your finger until the registration reaches 100%. This helps your phone capture different parts of your fingerprint for better recognition. Once the registration is complete, tap Done. Now, lock your phone. Place your registered finger on the fingerprint sensor. Your phone should unlock instantly without entering your PIN, password, or pattern. And that's how you add fingerprint to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.